Mr. Williams not present. Mr. Williams is charged with the felony offense of murder.
On November 26, 2017, the officer was assigned to investigate a homicide which involved a male being shot at a residence and the suspect fleeing the scene. The decedent was identified as Devin Wade. His twin brother, Stephen Wade, gave a statement to the officer, and he advised that he was woken by the sound of gunshots. He said he immediately looked at his security camera system and saw a male that matched the physical descriptors of a male friend of his brother, whom he knows by name and sight to be Mario Williams. The twin brother Stephen stated the defendant is the complainant's lover. He stated that the defendant came to the house earlier today and was arguing with the complainant. He said after he heard the gunshots, he came downstairs but did not see anyone, just his brother lying on the ground bleeding. Officer spoke to a witness, Adam Smith, who stated that the complainant's boyfriend came into the room this evening and he knows that male by name and sight as Mario Williams. Witness stated that the defendant seemed upset. The defendant wanted to talk to the complainant. Devin asked him to leave multiple times. He eventually did. The complainant escorted Mario downstairs, came back upstairs. A little while later, the defendant returned, came back to the bedroom. He was asked to leave again and escorted downstairs. The next thing Adam stated he heard was 2 gunshots. He ran downstairs and saw the complainant's twin brother over the complainant saying someone shot him and to call 911. Other witnesses gave similar renditions indicating that they heard gunshots and ran out the back door. One of them saw this defendant, Mario's arm extended, and then heard a second shot. And then the officer received information that a male who identified himself as Mario Williams walked in to turn himself in, stating that he shot someone. They took an in-custody statement of the defendant, who stated he went to the house to get some items, to include a handgun, which was in the complainant's room. The defendant stated he was trying to leave and the complainant wouldn't let him. Defendant stated complainant punched him and chased him downstairs. Defendant stated complainant blocked the front door, but he was able to get the door when Devin lunged at him, at which time he shot the complainant.
I find that probable cause for further detention exists. Mr. Williams' case will be going to the 339th District Court. That's Judge Maria Jackson. I'll request a court-appointed lawyer on his behalf. I'm going to set his bond at $100,000 and refer any request for a lower bond to Judge Jackson.